So now, in this question is asking, under the identical condition, a gas CXHY diffuses 2 times slower than helium. What is the value of X plus Y? Now, this is a question which belongs to Graham's law of diffusion. So, let's find out the solution. The solution is, now we know that by Graham's law, R1 by R2, the rate of diffusion, that will be inversely proportional to the molar mass, M2 by M1. Now, we can say that, let us assume that the first one is helium. So, rate of diffusion of helium divided by rate of diffusion of that particular gas, that is equal to the molar mass, that is M of that particular gas, and that will be divided by the molar mass of the helium, means it will be 4. So, it's given in the question that under identical condition a gas diffuses 2 times slower, right, than helium, means helium is moving fast, and how much fast? 2 times. So, we will write 2 by 1, that is equal to under root M by 4, and when we will solve it, we will get M is equal to 16. So, mass is equal to 16, and there is only one possibility, and that possibility is methane, because the molar mass of methane is 16, mass of the carbon 12 plus 4 into 1. 1 is the mass of hydrogen. Therefore, we can say that X is equal to 1 and Y is equal to 4, and the value of X plus Y, that will be equal to 4 plus 1, that is 5, right. So, let us see which option is there. Here is the correct option, that is answer, the option number is 1, right. Let us move on to the next question. So, now in this question is asking, the mole fraction of iodine in CCl4 is 0.01, that is a value given to us. What is the molality of the solution? So, we will directly move on to the solution. Now, whenever we relate molality with the mole fraction, we can apply a formula directly, and that is molality is equal to mole fraction of the solute divided by mole fraction of the solvent multiplied by 1000 divided by the molar mass of solvent, right. Now, what he is asking? He is asking the molality, right. So, molality will be equal to, mole fraction is given to us, that is 0.01. So, that is 0.01, and mole fraction of solvent will be equal to 1 minus 0.01 multiplied by 1000 divided by the molar mass of CCl4, which is 154, and when we will solve this, we will get 0.066, that is moles per kg, right, and our correct answer will be option number 2. So, the answer is the second one, right. Let us move on to the next question. Now, the next question in this question is asking 4 gram of hydrogen, 64 gram of sulfur and 44.8 liters of oxygen at STP react and form H2SO4. Okay. If 49 grams of H2SO4 is formed, then the percentage yield is, 4 options are given to us, we have to find out the correct answer. Let us move on to the solution. So, the solution is, first we have to find out the number of moles that is given to us, means hydrogen is given to us, and sulfur is given to us and oxygen is given to us. So how much hydrogen is given to us? That's 4 gram. So we have to find out the number of moles. So if you find the number of moles, for 4 gram of hydrogen there will be 2 moles, and for sulfur the atomic mass of sulfur is 32 AMU and the molar mass of sulfur will be 32 grams. So the given weight is 64, the mass of sulfur is 32 grams, given weight upon the molar mass, that will be equal to 2. 64 upon 32, that will be equal to 2. And if we talk about oxygen, oxygen is given to us, that is 44.8 liters at STP, and we all know that 1 mole of oxygen will occupy 22.4 liter, and if we get 44.8 liters means it is 2 moles of oxygen, and if it is 2 moles of oxygen, then we will write here this is also 2 moles of oxygen. Now the formula of the H2SO4 means we have to check the formula of the H2SO4, that how many atoms are or how many moles are required, right? So we need 1 mole of this H2, we need 1 mole of sulfur, and for O4 we need 2 moles of O2, right? So this is completely consumed. When oxygen is completely consumed, it means that we need 1 mole of sulfur and 1 mole of hydrogen only, and we have 2 moles of sulfur and 2 moles of hydrogen, means the moles which will be left after the reaction, that will be 1, 1 and 0, right? And we are getting 1 mole of H2SO4. What is the mass of H2SO4? Molar mass of H2SO4 is 98 gram. So we should get 98 gram of H2SO4 if we have these many moles of hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen, but we are getting 49 gram. So if we find the percentage yield, that will be 49 that we are getting, and upon 98 that we should get, multiplied by 100, and the answer is 50%. So let's check which is the correct option. This here is the correct option. The answer is option number 2, right? Let's move on to the next question.